Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BabySato token. Now, the SATO token was a very popular token. When you have a very popular token, then you have the baby version come out, of course, in crypto meme coins. Satoshi Nakamoto, the inventor of Bitcoin, that's where the name SATO comes from. And this is on the Coinbase blockchain base chain and is trending number 3 right now on DEX screener. It's been trending for a couple days now. It's kind of been all over the place. I was going to do a video a couple days ago. It was at $300-something thousand market cap. Then yesterday, price got cut in half down to $100-something thousand market cap. And now it's back up to $209,000 market cap. So it's very all over the place, this token, but still trending number 3, almost $250,000 in trades today, 144,186 holders, 3 different liquidity providers for Uniswap. We're going to go over the information on the BabySato token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the BabySato token. So they have been doing a little bit of marketing today on DEX screener. They have $33,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and according to DEX screener, 99.99% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. 24-hour trading volume, $243,000. Today they've had 66,777 transactions. Market cap is about $206,000 right now. Token pair was created 2 days, 9 hours ago, so it's been trending for basically every day since it came out. And they do have some quick audits, which are all good here. So Go Plus security audit says no issues. No issues on the Quick Intel security audit. Same with the honeypot.is audit. And Token Sniffer gave it 100 out of 100. So that's some good audits there. You can find all of them on DEX screener. That's not to say that there's no issues with this token, because like I said, it was very volatile. So it's kind of you're in for a ride here if you're getting a volatile meme token. They have a Telegram you could follow at BabySato Base. 745 members, 257 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion with other community members. Talk about the project, ask questions, that type of thing. There'll be other hodlers and other community members on there. Now they have 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. You can find the token on basescan.org. You can also find the charts, the price, all the statistical information on DEX screener and DEX tools. And their Twitter, I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this token. It says, you can't have Sato without BabySato. And they just joined Twitter May 2025. That's how brand new this project is. BabySato.org is the webpage there. Blue verified checkmark. 16 tweets so far. And they have some competitions on here. So 22 hours ago, they tweeted out a big buy competition. The Baby Big Buy competition has commenced. Must purchase using Vivid. And they have a link there so you could check that out. And it says, this is the person on Telegram rewarding the members. First place, $200. Second place, $100. Third place, $500. And then it has the contract address. Now you could easily also find the contract address on the webpage that is linked right there. So if you're looking to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base token. So a Coinbase wallet would be fitting. You could use that. You could also use a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Base. You would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then using the contract address you could find on their webpage, BabySato.org. You would then trade your Base for this token. According to their Go Plus security audit, it says buy and sell tax is 0%, so you will not have to set slippage. It also says tax is not even modifiable. And you will have to pay a small amount of gas fees, though, when buying tokens off of Uniswap, so just be aware of that. On their webpage, they have tons of links. Uniswap, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Twitter, Telegram, contract address, and Ape Store. They also have tons of different memes, BabySato memes, all over their webpage. And they do that so, you know, if you find any that are funny or cool or whatever, or maybe ones you want to put words on, you could take them, put them on your socials like Twitter, Facebook, etc., Instagram, and share them out there. And that's a way for the community to shill out the token with like grassroots style marketing. So it says, rolling through like a breeze, easy, smooth, and always in style, a smile that melts ice cream, and a laugh that befriends all. The kind of cool that you can't fake. Got a closet full of silk shirts, rings that sparkle like stardust, and swagger that says, I got it like that. Steady, staying 5 steps ahead of the masses, whether cruising in a golden Lambo or throwing rooftop parties, BabySato brings the vibes. Get enough pimp energy to light up the whole chain. Now, it says here how to buy, so they do have a link to a Coinbase wallet where you can download it there. They give you step-by-step how to buy this token off the webpage. So BabySato is a baby dog meme coin, baby version of the Sato token inspired by Coinbase's co-founder Brian Armstrong's cat Toshi and the pseudonymous creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. BabySato aims to become the face of baby dogs on Base and the leading figure in the burgeoning Base ecosystem, leveraging a meme culture and an expanding community, drawing in the masses with its significant cuteness and cool vibes, onboarding the masses on-chain. And yeah, so they have the step-by-step how to buy in case you get stuck. Check it all out, BabySato.org. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.